Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is Roccabox in collaboration with Get the Gloss Expert Beauty Team. Inside you'll find 8 beauty products with a value of around £137, and the cost of the box is £25. And this is their self-love edit. So I'm going to be showing you what's inside one by one, but if you're interested in getting a box for yourself, then you will find all details down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you have to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I am on Roccabox's PR list, so I'm very grateful to them for sending this out to me so I'm able to show you. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So inside you'll see lots of worms. Hold on, I'll just give you a quick sneak peek, but I'll go through it one by one, showing you in detail. And you also get a little booklet here, and it details everything about the products inside the box. So information about the self-love edit. We've all become more aware of the importance of self-love, and I don't know about you, but creating small rituals around my skincare regime has become a great way to carve out a bit more me time. Lighting a candle, taking time to breathe in the scent of a face cream, massaging a night serum around my tired eyes, or misting with a protective spray during the day. I couldn't be more pleased with the self-love beauty box, which combines gorgeous textured skincare from some of my favourite brands with the powerful actives I rely on for results. It's a chance to take some time out to experiment and indulge. I've included possibly the cutest candle in the world, as well as treats to show your hands and nails some love. I hope you love it. Love, Victoria. So let's go through it one by one. And first up, I want to open this candle. This gorgeous little box. It is so cute. What's it say here? Thank you from Simply Serenity. And we've got French vanilla. Oh, I can't wait to see it. I've seen their Instagram page and they do amazing candles. Oh my gosh. Look. How cute is that? That is so cute. The smell is just so nice. It's just like, yeah, it's just like white chocolate. It's French vanilla. I think that is gorgeous. I might treat myself actually to their other candles as well. They do bigger versions of these. Yeah, they're just really nice. They do candles in many different sizes, but to buy this size it'll cost you £5. A 100% soy vegan candle with a sublime vanilla scent and the ultimate accessory for your Instagram bathscape shot. So we've got a little candle. Next we got hand cream, which I've received before, and it is so good. This is by Nursem. The 75ml here is a caring hand cream, protection for hard-working hands with medical grade manuka honey, NPA plus 15, barrier restoring oils and soothing white willow extract. Now if I remember rightly, this cream was made for doctors and nurses who are constantly washing their hands. The Nursem promise: for every product you buy, we'll give a month's worth of free Nursem to a nurse or midwife. Developed with nurses to help combat the effects of relentless hand washing, Nursum is a range of therapeutic formulas with naturally derived ingredients to really care for the hands. This really came in handy. I had it about a year ago, I think it was, in a different subscription box, and yeah, it was lovely. We all used it. So it looks like that. Let's massage it into my hands. Especially my knuckles there. Yeah, it's lovely. It is really nice. Nice scent as well. So anything else I can tell you? This is full size and the recommended retail price is £9.99. Designed to be used little and often during the day, it's intensely hydrating and comforting thanks to being high in omega-3, 6 and 9. But importantly, it's non-greasy and fast absorbing, which make it a huge win in my books. And then it goes on to telling you how they donate their products to nurses and midwives. So that'll be going downstairs for everyone to use again. Next up, we've got a Balance Me Puffy and Clear PHA Clarifying Mist. Zinc, Alanoin and Witch Hazel for all skin types. And there's 30ml here. Now, I have tried lots and lots of different Balance Me products, but a mist does not spring to mind. It says a highly effective clarifying mist combines a potent punch of gently exfoliating PHAs with a lineup of hard-working antibacterial ingredients to hydrate, help tackle shine, minimise enlarged pores and calm skin prone to blemishes without irritation. Now I haven't got blemishes, I'm on medication, so my skin is clear of any acne or anything like that, but I do have large pores. They just won't shift. Massive pores on my nose. But let's give it a spray. They do say to spray it on cleansed skin, but I just want to see what it's like on my face. Oh, that's quite a heavy spray. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. This would be really good for my daughter, actually, more than myself. She has very sensitive skin. She's coming out in acne just all around here, and it's wearing masks in school. It's got to be it. But she's getting them all across here and under there. So this might be really nice for her, actually. So it just goes on to tell you what I read off the bottle, but it also says a really effective and pleasure to use product to layer into your skincare routine day or night. It won't increase skin sensitivity to the sun, and also a great product to use on congested skin on your back and your shoulders too. Next, we have got a Bare Minerals product. This is an ageless 10% Phyto-Retinol Night Concentrate, and we've got 8 mils here. So it's a little mini one. So it looks like there. This is a deluxe travel size, and the recommended retail price is £13.80. It says this plant-based retinol alternative is as effective at reducing fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage, you name it, but doesn't cause that irritation and redness that some people, particularly those with sensitive skin, can experience when using a retinoid. The addition of hyaluronic acid and protein peptides makes for an intensely hydrating and firming overnight treatment that leaves skin plumped up and full of youthful radiance. So we've got a retinol night concentrate by Bare Minerals. Next we've got a nail polish by NailKind. A lovely pinky nude colour, but yeah, very similar. No, it's paler. I was thinking it's similar to my colours there, but no, it's paler. So this is full size, and the recommended retail price is £9.50. The formula is up to 85% bio-sourced, of natural origin and kind to your nails, which can't be said for most nail polishes, and yet the formula is high performance, delivering a glossy look in the most gorgeous of shades. If you're looking for nail loving varnishes with natural caring ingredients but great colour payoff, then this is your brand. Oh, and the packaging is gorgeous as well. Now, I wear gels, so for me at the moment I'm not buying nail polishes because the salon's back open now so I can have my gels done, but I don't have gels on my toenails, so any nail polishes that I receive in beauty boxes, I do keep them, and I keep them for my toes. Next we've got a product from This Works, and this is my Wrinkles Extreme Moisturiser, and we've got 13 mils here. Little pot, dab it on like that, save, get my nails in there, apply it on top of the Nursem. This hand is going to feel super soft. This is a deluxe travel size, and it is worth £13. Ultra hydrating, hyaluronic acid, pigmentation reducing, bacitrol and complexion brightening vitamin C make for a powerful ingredient trio. The combination in this lovely daily moisturiser means you can fight a multitude of common skin complaints, dullness, skin damage and dryness in one simple skincare step. So we've got a moisturiser by This Works. Then we've got a gorgeous packaged L'Occitane, and this is a Immortelle Precious Cream. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Look at the packaging. That's so pretty. I'll have a look now. So this is a travel size, and the recommended retail price for this is £9.50. It's, yeah, L'Occitane Immortelle Precious Cream. Precious. Okay, this entire range combines powerful antioxidant essential oils with a dynamic hyaluronic acid complex to help increase the skin's natural ability to renew itself. I particularly love this rich cream. It claims to power up your skin's natural renewal in just 10 days. Really do seem justified, with my skin feeling softer and looking noticeably smoother and reinvigorated after daily use. So it's another moisturiser. It actually doesn't say. It could be for the body. I don't know. Feels nice. It just says skin. It doesn't say face or body. Oh, the smell. It smells so lovely. It smells so, so lovely. Woo. And then lastly, we have got some ampoules from Doctor's Formula. This is Doctor's Cosmeceutical Skincare Formula Pick Me Up Skin Illuminating Ampoule for Dull Skin. And we've got 7 ampoules there. I'll just... So 7 ampoules there. That's what they look like. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £59. These little bottles of serum work on the skin like a turbocharged skin booster. They're packed with highly targeted, concentrated, active ingredients that work on a multitude of daily skincare needs. They're the ultimate skin-loving treatment to complement your existing routine and the secret weapon in your skincare regime you've been waiting for. Expect impressive results, luminous complexion, smoother texture, brighter glow, fast. So those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. We've got a little mini candle from Simply Serenity. We've got Balance Me PHA Clarifying Facial Mist. We've got a Nursem hand cream. We've got a NailKind nail polish in Pillow Talk. We've got a Doctor's Formula serum ampoules. We've got a Bare Minerals Retinol Night Concentrate. We've got a L'Occitane Immortelle Precious Cream. And lastly, a This Works an Extreme Moisturiser. So those are all the items inside the limited edition Roccabox and Get the Gloss Expert Beauty Team edition, the self-care edit box. The cost of the box is £25 and the value comes in at £137. I'll pop a link to the box down in my description and any other limited edition boxes they have. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it for yourself? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.